episode 2 of Maintenance Motorway. In our previous episode, we talked about knowing your recommended tire pressure. Here is a recap of the previous episode. Today, we will talk about the dangers associated with incorrect tire pressures, low and high. Incorrect tire pressure is having the least amount of air or more air in a tire than what is recommended by the manufacturer. Underinflation or low tire pressure is the leading cause of the tire failures. This will cause excessive tire wear on each side of the tread, stiff steering, and wheel damage. Excessive heat buildup in the tire, which will lead to tire failure. Possible severe tire damage resulting in hazardous driving. High fuel consumption, and also affects braking performance. With overinflation or high tire pressure, it causes excessive tread wear on the center of the tread, bouncy ride, reduced contact patch between the road surface and the tire treads. May also affect your brake performance. These changes can reduce traction and performance, giving you a bouncy ride. You can drive through the gates of Autosha Ghana to have your tires checked to avoid any danger. So, if you have a flat tire and you find yourself in a tire repair shop or replacing a flat tire yourself, please use the correct tire pressures as required by the manufacturer to avoid any premature damage to your tire or an uncomfortable ride with your car after repairing or replacing your tires. That's all for today. In our next episode, we'll talk about the dangers of driving with worn out tires. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't drink and drive, don't text and drive, but always practice defensive driving. Hit the like button if you like our video, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos.